Before we start the tutorial, take a look at the final result. This entire underground bunker transformation was created using AI, from an empty space into a fully cinematic secret bunker with realistic lighting, depth, and motion. All of this was generated step by step using free AI tools. Now let me show you exactly how I made it. First, I open my document file. This file contains all the prompts I prepared earlier, including the image prompt and the video prompts from Scene 1 to Scene 14. Next, I open Grok AI. Now I copy the image prompt from my document. Then I paste it into Grok. Make sure you switch to image mode and set the ratio to 9:16 because we want a vertical video format. After that, simply press Enter. Once the image is generated, click on the result. Now go back to the document and copy video prompt 1. Switch Grok from image mode to video mode. Paste the first video prompt and press Enter. After the video is generated, download it. Now, here is a very important step. Play the first video. Go to the very last second of the video and take a screenshot. This screenshot will become the base image for the next scene. This ensures smooth visual continuity between clips. Now upload that screenshot back into Grok. Then copy video prompt 2 from the document. Paste it in video mode and generate the next clip. After the second video is ready, repeat the same process. Download the video. Play it. Take a screenshot of the last frame. Upload it back to Grok. Paste the next video prompt. Generate. Repeat this workflow until you finish video 14. This method guarantees consistent lighting, structure, and realistic transformation. Once all 14 video clips are finished, we move to the editing stage. Open Filmora 12. Import all the generated video files. Arrange them in order from video 1 to video 14. Make sure the transition between clips feels smooth and cinematic. You can adjust timing, add simple transitions, and enhance colors if needed. When everything looks clean and seamless, export the final video in high quality. And that's it. You now have a fully AI-generated underground bunker transformation video.